In a world where we can work from pretty much anywhere, does it make sense for your business phone to be chained to the wall? I don't think so. It is time to talk about a revolution in business communication, one that works wherever you do. So, let's dive in and explore the virtual landline.
All right, let's start with a situation that I'm guessing a lot of you, especially small business owners, are going to find, well, very familiar. We're talking about the modern work dilemma.
So, let's be real for a second. Is your personal mobile phone secretly pulling double duty as your business's front desk? Come on, you can admit it. For so many entrepreneurs, consultants, and sole traders out there, the answer is a huge yes. And if you're nodding along, trust me, you are not alone.
And that's a huge problem, isn't it? Because when your personal number is your work number, those lines between your professional life and your personal life get incredibly blurry. It can feel unprofessional, it's a fast track to burnout, and it makes it almost impossible to ever truly switch off.
But what if there was a better way? What if you could have that professional business number, but without it being tied to one specific place? Well, there is. Let's talk about the solution, the virtual landline, and how it can finally untether your business number for good.
So what is this thing exactly? It's actually pretty simple. A virtual landline is just a business phone number that isn't attached to a physical phone line. Instead of using those old-school copper wires, it delivers all your calls right over the internet. And what that means for you is total location independence.
And the magic that makes this all happen, it's something called cloud telephony. Now, don't let the technical name fool you. Just think of it like email, but for your phone calls. It's the tech that lets your one business number ring on any device you want, your mobile, your laptop, even a desk phone if you have one.
This slide really just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the traditional landline, stuck in one building, relies on old tech, and it's just not flexible. And on the other side, the virtual landline. It works on any device, it's powered by the internet, and it gives you complete flexibility. It's really no contest.
Okay, so it sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work in your day-to-day life? Well, it's kind of like having your entire office phone system right inside an app on your phone. Let's take a look.
So it really boils down to two main ways you can use your new virtual number. You can use it as a complete standalone solution, or you can set it up to be a mirror of an existing desk phone. Let's break down what that means. First up, we have the standalone line. Now, this is an absolute game changer if you're a sole trader, a consultant, or you run a business that doesn't really have a physical office. Your business phone lives entirely on your mobile, inside an app. You can make and take all your business calls from that number, and your personal number, it stays completely private.
And then we've got mode number 2, the desk phone mirror. This is perfect for businesses that do have a physical location with desk phones. When a customer calls your main office number, it rings on your desk phone just like it always has. But it also rings on the mobile app at the exact same time. You literally never have to miss a critical call just because you stepped out for lunch.
You know, this technology isn't just about convenience, though that's a huge plus. It's really about boosting your business image and giving you a serious professional advantage. Let's talk about how. So what does this actually mean for your business? Well, first, you finally get to keep your personal mobile number private. That's a huge win for work-life balance. It means you're presenting a consistent professional identity every single time you talk to a customer. And that improves your response times, which means fewer missed calls and happier clients. All of this works together to build trust and keep your communications totally organized.
This chart really shows you that flexibility in action. I love this. When a call comes into your business, where can it go? Well, you decide. You can have it go to your mobile app when you're on the move, to your desk phone when you're at the office, or even to a desktop app on your computer. You're in complete control over where you answer, every single time.
Okay, this all sounds great for today, but what about tomorrow or next year? The beauty of this is that it's not just a quick fix, it's a system that's designed to grow right alongside you. We're talking about future-proofing your communications.
And because this is all powered by the cloud, scaling up is, well, it's a piece of cake. Need to add a new person to the team? No problem. Opening up a new office in another city? Super easy. You can add new users, new numbers, and new features without ever having to buy expensive new hardware. It's that simple.
You know, it all comes down to this one core idea, and this quote just says it perfectly. Your communications grow with you, supporting new staff, locations, and working styles. And that's the promise, right? A system that adapts to your needs, not the other way around.
So, as we wrap up, it all comes down to one final thought. The world of work is only going to get more flexible and more distributed. So the real question you should be asking yourself is this: is your phone system truly ready for what's next?